Okay, this is the Neretva Espresso coffee machine. It's one or a 2-cup machine. First thing you might notice is it's a nice clean stainless steel look. Wipe it down and it'll look good on your countertop. I like that. And it's a little bit smaller than I anticipated, so it takes up a smaller footprint than I was anticipating, and that's always good, so I like that. Starting at the top here, you got a cup warmer on top. You can put your cups up here, and this will warm them slightly. I can feel it's warm. There's nothing hot at all about it, and it does make your cup slightly warm. I don't know if it's enough to make a difference on it, but slightly warm. And then in the back, right here, is your water reservoir. This is where you can fill it. Lid goes up and down. You can pull this whole thing out, take it to the sink and fill it. I've got water in it right now, so I'm not going to fill it. But this is pretty much the same as any coffee maker or K-cup machine you probably already have in the house. So there's that. And then moving down, you've got the drip tray down here. All this is removable, comes apart for easy cleaning. So that's nice, makes it nice and easy. And then over here you have your milk frother, which rotates on here. It's got a little silicone handle to grab because this will get hot. I made a cup of espresso earlier. I've been playing with this a little bit. And so yeah, this will get hot. So use that little silicone handle. You can push this out of the way. Things it comes with is the manual. Nice manual, illustrations, easy to understand directions. And, you know, that's something I appreciate when a manufacturer puts a little bit of effort into making a decent manual that's understandable, that goes with their product. I think it just shows a little bit about they actually care about their product and they want you to be able to understand easily how to operate it. It also comes with, on one end you have a tamper, and on the other end is your measuring spoon. So you have that. And then this is the 1-cup filter. It also has a 2-cup filter, and I currently have that in the portafilter right here, and that's this. So this is kind of the business end of the whole thing. This is where you put your coffee in. You can see I have coffee in here already. I tamped it down. This on the top is your funnel. You just simply take that off. You just twist it off and it comes off of your filter. So when you're putting your coffee in here, you're not spilling coffee over. It's not overflowing. This little funnel here will help keep it in there. And then you tamp it down with your tamper. And you're pretty much ready to go. And then over here, you have your cup for your milk. I already got some milk in here for frothing. Now, as far as the controls, it couldn't be easier. You got a power button here, is your first button. Next button over is your 1-cup selector. Next button is your 2-cup selector. And the next button is your steam. So I have this already powered on. Then, of course, you have your barometer bar indicator here, and I'm going to be honest, I'm not exactly sure what that's all about. This is my first experience with espressos, so I had one earlier today, and it's quite good, and I think I'll be probably using it more going forward. So very simple to operate, doesn't take very long at all. I'm going to show you we're going to make a quick cup here, and you know, you'll see how quickly this is. So the first thing you do is you take this funnel off, and you put this up into your head and then hold the machine a little bit and you twist this until it locks. So now that's in place. Put your cup under here. And on this, there's 2 spouts. So when it does come out and release, it'll go out both of those spouts. So you could put 1 cup over here and another cup over here if you wanted to make 2 separate cups. But I'm just going to go with 1 cup right now for demonstration purposes. And we'll do a double shot of it. So let's get started. So we're going to do a double shot. Here's your 2-cup indicator. We'll get that going. Okay, and then you get the beep indicator that tells you that it's done making your espresso. So now you may want to frost some milk with that. So you might want to swing this out and you put your milk frother under there and then hit your frothing button. Over on the side, I'll show it to you quickly, there's a knob you can see on the side right here. And then you turn this for how much froth action you basically want. This is about a halfway setting right now. Getting a nice froth there, and then when you've had enough, you turn the knob to the off position, it stops, and see, that's hot. And then you can swing that back out of the way, and there's your froth milk. So now you can take your espresso out, put a little froth milk in there. I can't get those cool little designs they have. Maybe as time goes on, I'll figure that out. And there's your espresso. So that's basically the gist of it. Nice machine. It's very simple to use. I wasn't intimidated at all, and this is my first experience with espresso. So very short learning curve. I think you're going to really like this. I think it comes in at about $170 on Amazon, and I would say that's a pretty good value for this machine. Looking forward to using it a lot more.
I like how easy to use this espresso machine is. It's well made, made of stainless steel. The tank is in the back, has a lift-up handle to make it easy to fill. You simply plug it in. Comes with everything you need. You get portafilter with 2 different sizes, one for single shots, one for double. The filter ring, the tamper. It has a removable drip tray, which I've taken out for now because my cup is too large. I need to get smaller cups. Comes with the frothing pitcher, has a steam wand. Controls are very easy to understand. Heats up very quickly, took less than a minute probably to get up to temperature. Power button, single cup, double shot, steam wand. So simply insert your portafilter when you're ready and you've tamped it down. Hit go. And there it goes. So, sorry about using it without the drip tray, but I need to get a different mug for it, obviously. Look at that. Look at the beautiful crema coming out. Does a great job. I'm going to stop the video now so it doesn't get too long, but I'll talk more about it in the review. No problems with this. It's a great little machine for the price.
Okay, this espresso maker works really well and it has great coffee. So we already tamped that coffee down. These lights here will blink for about 20 seconds or so until it's warmed up. And then you can pick one shot or two and bada bing, pours in there. And then when you're done with that, this button does the frother there and it comes with the cup. So there you can see, makes perfect coffee.